exam, and they want you to supply an outline of your paper. So what I'm using right now is Microsoft Word, and this is the Mac desktop version that you're seeing, and I created a new document. So Mac and PC versions are different. They're not going to be exactly the same for where your tools are. So if you have to search for more tutorials, you're going to want to be specific to which version of Word you're using. Okay, so right up here, I'm at the Home tab right here, and then I need to create a outline. So not that one. Yeah, here it is. Everybody's a little different, but mine required ABC. Then I go to the one down next to it. It's going to tell you like how you're going to do the subtopic formatting. And I believe it was that version, so I just want to make sure that's selected. Okay, so automatically it starts with the letter A, and I'm going to call it main topic. When you hit return, it's automatically going to give you the next, like they always do rules of threes as far as when you are discussing something. So anytime you have the main, you might have, so I'll just main topic 2, main topic 3. Okay, so within that, and see if I hit the delete key, that letter disappears. Okay, so what if I need some type of like supporting element? I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to hit the tab key. See what happens? Hit the tab key, and I'm going to put support 1. See? Support 2. Support 3, right? Hit the delete key to remove the next one. Okay, so what if something within that list needs another 3 more supports? It's always like rules of threes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit backspace up here and then hit the tab. Makes sense? And then support 1, support 2, oops, support 2, and then support, I'm just going to SS 3, right? So once again, I'll show you again. Hit return, hit the tab key on your keyboard, and then you will get the next formatting, okay? So that's, if you're running into issues, you're not sure why it's not working out with your formatting, that's why. Anyways, so I hope that's helpful. I hope that helps you out creating your outline. I might do one about breaking things into sections, because another thing that I found with formatting is like if you're doing any kind of thesis paper and you want the page number not to start on your cover sheet, that one would be a good tutorial. I should do that one because I finally figured it out. But anyways, hope this is helpful, and happy writing!